Hello everybody. Not sure you can hear me well, but I'm going to pull this down for a bit. Hi there everybody. I'm fine, just wearing the mask. I've been told by some people it probably would be wise to wear this when going to the grocery store, which is where I'm going right now. Today is Thursday, and I believe it is the 26th of March, I think. So yes, I'm heading towards the grocery store. There's a couple of things I need to buy, and of course I'll be heading back home soon as I'm done. So I hope everybody is doing all right. And that you are being, safe and doing what you're supposed to do. So today I wanted to talk about social distancing. Everybody has been talking about that, but there's actually something going on with everybody I have been talking to, which is everybody's been eating a lot. Everybody's been cooking. Everybody has been, becoming very good chefs and trying all different types of recipes. And what we all came to the conclusion is that we need social distancing, but from the refrigerators. That's pretty much the challenge, staying home all the time. I've been working, I do my hours every day, but then, what do you do after that? You can watch TV, you can interact with people through the social networks and stuff like that, but food is something we all like. Everybody likes to eat, and I believe I'm a very good cook. I've been cooking for years, and I like my food, which is, I guess, not so good. So yeah, that's a challenge, really, to not overeat. I don't know. I need to exercise a bit, walk, and maybe come up with other things to do to replace the need to, binge and eat more than I should. So you guys out there, do you have any good hints to give me? How can I overcome this problem that I'm facing? And I know several people are having the same. So here I am, right by the grocery store. If you can leave your comments and let me know what you guys are doing to occupy your time and your mind, I would appreciate that. So this is my video number 5. If you like this kind of short content, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be creating more. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.